makes it pretty easy. So, for example, when you take a look at this chair, you can find the overall height and width that you want to make this. And as you take a look at it, you can decide. I've made it 6 of these tall, so I'm just going to come down and illustrate part of it, coming this direction. And it depends on where you clip this off, so I'm going to kind of just establish this first part right here. So this is the bottom part of the chair here, so you can shorten these up just as you use them as a guide to help you pinpoint this across. So that's the base of the chair. And then the legs are going to come straight down from this. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of put the image there. And then it's going to curve. This is a tubular section right there. You'll see the little curve. And just putting a little elliptical shape down beneath that to help you build that up. So now you pretty much have the whole chair. The only thing that's missing is the back. So the center of this design, you can actually use the rectangle, or you can, if you've shortened it, just remember you can cross the diagonals to get that center line, which is now either matching, or in this case I made it a little bit smaller right there, and then this piece coming up. So now this section going across and going up to the height of it. So I can make it this height, and within the proportion I can shorten this, just make it symmetrical. It's even on either side, and just following this section across. So I've used the grid to help me locate it, and then now I have this piece drawn out pretty easily. And if this is curved, then all I have to do, I've drawn it in there, just curve it a little bit. This has a curve to it, and it'll shorten it up here. And these are a little bit rounded off on the edges here. So now I have this entire piece drawn out. Just heavy up some of the lines, sketching them out. And it helps me build up the entire surface of this. And you can add stuff. Again, you can find the center. Maybe it has a cushion for the vinyl. This cylindrical piece may cast a shadow to it. May have a couple things on the edges there. So it'll build that piece up. So you have that selection to take a look at. And then on the section that has the video, you can see, if you need this part here, to see this selection for doing this graphic.